Today I got the roll and go hair tool to help me with my vintage hairstyles. It came with a lookbook that gives you ideas on things that you can do along with how to use it. It came with postcards for little promotional things. And this one is actually going to be saved and go on my vanity because it's an Audrey Hepburn quote and I'm an Audrey fan. Now, yesterday I washed my hair and I set it with Proclaim lotion that I don't dilute, and I get it from Sally's, and I used this tool. This is a modified travel lint roller. And this is the roll and go. It's more flexible than I thought it would be, but I think it will work out just beautifully from the reviews I've seen and from what I've seen in this book. So, it also came with bobby pins, which I can never get enough of. Now, my hair, because it's previously set, I think it's going to be super easy to do, and now that it's dirty, it's much easier. And I don't have hairspray, I don't have my setting lotion, I don't have anything in here with me. So let's try the smaller end. So from the videos I saw, you comb it through your hair, and that's what I've done. Okay. So it's combed through. It's kind of hard because I can't get down that low. It's combed through, and I'm now wrapping it and adding hair as it falls, as I go. I think this is going to take some time to get used to for me, because I'm used to wrapping it around my little travel lint roller. And with that, I don't have to run my hair through it. Okay, so it feels a little loose to me, but it doesn't look bad. See? It looks actually really good. So I'm going to take a bobby pin and place it through the barrel. And stick another pin through the back of the barrel and push the barrel down a bit. I like that. That's the small side. And I'm going to try it with the larger side and see what that looks like. And see how easy it is to do on the opposite side. Alright. So I am combing it through. I don't know if you can see. Okay. And holding this is different because I'm used to having the long handle of the travel lint roller. So what I'm finding myself doing is holding onto the middle, but I'm finding that I'm pushing and holding my hair onto the barrel of this. Okay, I got it in, and now with my free hand, sliding it out. And I'm pinning now. This is definitely going to take some getting used to and some practice for me. But so far, I like the results. I think it's still pretty quick and easy to do. Just as quick and easy as the travel lint roller that I've been using. And I want my roll, I like them closer together. So I'm going to bring that in. I'm going to smooth the back down so I don't have the big circles in the back, because I don't personally like that for my hair. Alright, so there's the front, that's the small side, and that's the large side, and the back. So overall, I think I like this tool. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to use. And this was nice. It did its job, and I'm still going to use it because it is very useful, and it does get different sized barrels than this. So these are going to be my new go-to tools along with my bobby pins. So, excited.